Two-factor authentication, not working on Zacks App Fix. If you're trying to sign into your Zacks app and your two-factor authentication isn't working, it can be frustrating, especially when you just need quick access to your portfolio. But don't worry, most of the time this issue comes down to a few simple fixes. First, check your phone's date and time settings. Go to your settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication relies on synchronized timing. If your device clock is even slightly off from Zacks servers, your verification code might be rejected. Next, check your App Store for any updates to the Zacks app. An outdated version can create communication errors with authentication systems. Update the app, restart it, and try logging in again. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and tap Sync Time for codes. This ensures that your app-generated codes match Zacks timing. If you're using SIM's verification and not receiving your code, disable any VNs and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Network restrictions or certain carriers can block automated text messages without warning. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, uninstall and reinstall the Zacks app. This removes any corrupted cache or outdated data that may be interfering with your login process. After reinstalling, go to your account settings to re-enable two-factor authentication. If you've recently switched phones, lost your authenticator app, or reset your device, tap Can't Access Two-Factor. At Login, Zacks support team can verify your identity and help you restore access safely. After following these steps, your two-factor authentication should be back up and running smoothly. It's a small feature that makes a big difference, keeping your financial insights, watch lists, and portfolio data secure from unwanted access.